back to my channel. It's me, Olive, and today I have a special guest, Neil.
Hi, it's Neil. I'm here.
And we're gonna be unboxing some solar-powered lights that go in your driveway. So let's get started.
It's by CREPOW.
It's by CREPOW.
CREPOW.
So we're just gonna.
Well, they're both boxes are gonna be the same thing. Just this has two and that has two.
We're gonna open this. So what it includes is this thing, these stakes that go in the ground, instructions, some bubble foam thing stuff, a cord, of course, a cord that has a light on it, and the solar panel,
And another one.
and then a bunch of screws. Screws, bolts, nuts, you know, all the stuff that comes in these handy dandy things. Okay. Welcome back, guys.
Hey, we figured something out.
We figured something out. So,
she read.
they're on. Oh. So, on this little thing, it says, press and hold switch for 5 seconds to activate the lights. They still need probably a little bit of charging, but because they come on like every once in a while. But it's working now. So
That's how it works.
that's how it works, guys. It's so hard. And so then you just go stick it in the ground and it lights up. So technically, that's our video, right?
That's it.
That's it. I don't know what these are for.
Like and subscribe. Links in the description.
Yeah.